I miss you guys. Love you.
Very good. Who's next?
Hello. Oh, you?
Hello, I'm writing to you because I don't know what are you doing. I have new friends. I miss you, Kashmir.
Oh, very good.
Hello, Mom and Dad. I'm writing this from the canteen of the school just to say hi and to tell you that I'm having so much fun. I miss you already. Love, Tristan.
Okay.
Hello, Mom and Dad. I'm writing from Prevode. Here is so fun. I've got lots of new friends. I miss you.
Very nice. Sarah, what have you got?
Hello everyone, I'm writing because I miss you. Guys, I'm meeting new friends. Love, Sam.
Okay, very nice, guys. Well done.